So here's my quick video for fitting some new Night Eye high low beam H4 LED bulbs, direct replacement for a standard H4 filament, tungsten filament bulb. Got these at eBay for 23 odd quid. This is the bulb itself as it comes, dead simple, plug and play. The base on it is detachable. You'll need to detach this when we're fitting it. Try my best not to drop it. So when this comes off the bottom, I've done one side already, and I found that the easiest way is to fit the base first, then fit this. So I'll show you the difference quickly. There's standard bulb on the right, main and the high-low LED one on the left. Really nice and light. Main beam. Okay, so dead quick video. I'll switch these off and we'll go for it. So I'll show you. We'll start to switch. Just about there. There we go. On your marks, get set, go. Take that off. Take your cap off. Put that out of the way. Disconnect that. There we go. Get the tang out of the way there. Get the tang out the top. There we go. One bulb out. Lovely jubbly. Love that on the Triumphs. Nice and easy. In comes the base. Here we go. It's got a quarter of a turn groove in it, so you can't get them wrong. Slide that in. Okay. Like that. Like that. Now I did the other side first. Found that the best thing to do was push the connector once it's connected up into the top of the lamp. So here we go. Like that. Connector in the top of the lamp, get that, quarter turn, wobble it around, put it in there, get that, put the cap on, and voila, there you go. Just all treatment ever. Now I've got two amazingly bright bulbs, ready for the winter. There we go. If you don't see me and you drive into me, you're in big trouble, because these lights are super bright. Video. Like I say, they're off eBay. Something like that. Night eyes. Plenty of room inside the cap. I've had some of the other ones that do high, low and move around inside, bit of a pain in the neck. These are dead simple. So leave it at that. Hope you enjoyed it. Cheers.